The exterior angles of polygons always have the same total, regardless of how many sides, how many angles, regardless of whether it's a concave or convex polygon. The total will always be 360 degrees. And we can use that to find some other values. If we have a 30gon, that means n is equal to 30, then we can find the measure of one exterior angle. And this should be if it's regular. If it's a regular polygon. So if it's a regular polygon, then the total divided by how many will be 360 divided by 30. That's going to give us 12 degrees. Now sometimes that's going to require us to round it, but in this case we have one exterior angle of this regular polygon is going to be 12 degrees. Now we also know that the exterior angle and the interior angle pair will always be a linear pair, meaning they're supplementary. In number 2, we want to find the number of angles if the regular polygon has an exterior angle of 20 degrees. Well, we know that 360 divided by n equals, as we saw up here in number 1, the exterior angle. Okay, and this is a regular polygon, and we want to find n in this case when we know the exterior angle. So that's going to create this equation. 360 over n equals 20 degrees. With a little bit of algebraic magic here, these are going to switch places, and you're going to have 360 over 20 equals n. That only works because n can't be 0. But the result is 360 divided by 20 is 18. So this has 18 sides, 18 angles, and we would have, let's see, that would be an octadecagon, or in some cases people would write an 18gon. All right, in number 3, we have some calculations to do here with an actual shape in front of us. As we extend this side to create this exterior angle, and this one to create that exterior angle, and this one to create this exterior angle, and then we extend this one and we've got an angle we don't know. But we know the total has to be 360, so it's as simple as taking 360 and subtracting the angles that we do know. That'll tell us what's left. So we get 70 degrees for this angle. We can do some algebra with it also. Here I have a triangle that has only 3 exterior angles. Here we have a right angle, so that means this is also a right angle there. And these 3 angles, 23x plus 10 and 29x and the 90, all add up to 360. Now, a common mistake when dealing with triangles is we think that the interior angles are 180 and we want to put 180 over here. But these are exterior angles that we're talking about. So if we begin to solve, we get 52x plus 100. Subtract 100. And 260 divided by 52 gives us 5. Now if we were asked to do this, we could put that in place right here, and 29 times 5 would be 145 degrees, and 23 times 5 plus 10 would give us 125 degrees there. You can always check. 125, 145, and 90 should add up to 360, and I did a quick check and they do.